Chu drives inside, sees an open lane, and Baracael open at the corner.
And that's counted, and somebody hit Chris Chu, and that is a flagrant foul again.
Let's see.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw that play. After the assist pass, Baracael converted that shot, and you're gonna see Marky. He's gonna be coming into the picture here.
That's right. Let's see. Chris Chu is inside. Chris Chu is inside.
No, it's who's this?
Matias.
Matias.
It's Matias.
Bago pang player ito, nananakit na.
And you know, there's no purpose in that because the ball is up in the air, and he's a smaller guy.
What for?
Oh my goodness.
That's why the game has been long.
Oh yes. Yun na nga, double black eye, no? Kasi pumasok
counted
yung
yun, sabay, halos eksakto yun.
Okay, he's a third player.